Wow, that was pretty good measurement. Anyways, I got what was left over here, and then I was doing this here, and I'm not sure how far I got on the other side, but you've seen how much I mixed that pile, and for $20 for that thing, a little more, it really, I think it came down to about right in here, so it did all that. Wait, I think it did part of this, not that whole piece. Yeah, I think I did part of this. I'm not sure, I forget. And then this here. But you can see it started setting up on me, even with the cool temperature. But that's pretty darn good right there. I think I'm going to leave that. That looks fairly uniform. I measured it, put the tongue depressor down here, and this here starts curving in just a little bit on each side, just about the same place. So I think I'm done with that part. And I was deciding if I should mix more glass for that. I'd only be able to come down so far and then skip it. This is one of the reasons I'm filling that in, all this being cracked right in here kind of. But I've got to grind this out. They're just bothers me. That's pretty good size crack right there, and I've got to fix that correctly. But there are other places like this low spot and some other areas I can hit that actually need to be done. I'm going to go around this here and fill this up so it's all not just, it's going to be all sealed up real good. It didn't leak before. It shouldn't leak now, but, I just think it would look better built up right there. And, let's see. I don't know, as you can see, this here's, maybe I did it from back here. You can kind of see the different colors, maybe. But this here was quite a bit lighter. I didn't think I'd have enough, but I still have to go in here and hit it a little bit, but not too bad. And then I think I might throw a layer. I don't think so. Do some of the front if I have any left from doing that, and those two parts. Anyways, I'm going to get busy here. Save you some boredom.